Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze Brownstone Dreamland Lacquer. What big eyes you have. I'm going to do some stamping. Here is the gorgeous Brownstone from China Glaze. What a amazing polish. This one had a great formula, insane color, and one of those skinny old brushes. I'm so glad they've changed their brushes for the most part. Everything I've gotten's had the newer brush in, so I really do like that. So we're going in with our first very smooth, very easy coat of Brownstone. Lovely. And now we're going to go in for a second coat. It's just like liquid chocolate on the nail. It's easy to work with, and I like polishes like this. Hi Woody, how you doing? And here is Dreamland Lacquer, and this is What Big Eyes You Have. It's crazy pretty. Duochrome, shiftiness. I love stuff like this. So I'm going to do a couple of nails, and I'm just going to brush that over two nails and just let it, you know, really be built up and blingy. And then we're going to do something else with the other two. Isn't that pretty? Oh, got the gold and the green shimmers, and oh, love it. Alright, so I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. Get it to dry down so we can do some, you know, well, for these two nails, that's it. That's what they're going to look like. But we're going to get some stamping going on. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL003, my Conad stamper, my beauty scraper, and I'm going to stamp with the Dreamland. Now it's not going to stamp out to where you really see the design, but it's going to give those two nails a different look than just applying it straight on. See? You can see. It's going to be like a faint, almost like a faint gradient or something. I am going to clean that plate off with some acetone. There we go. We're going to do this again. I mean, I would have been happy just to paint all the nails over with that Dreamland Lacquer, but I still kind of wanted to see the brownstone a little bit. There we go. We're going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller and clean that plate off real quick. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some excess real quick. But you can see that's like real faint, and I don't know, I really liked it. I'll be topping it with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Seal that stamping in. Not that the smearing would have been noticeable. And now that that's dry, I'm going to put on some Poshe top coat. I really did like this. I know you can't see the design, and that's okay. That's not what I was shooting for anyway, so it's all good. Glossy goodness. So here we go. Here is my manicure in motion. And I do have a swatch photo coming up. I'd love to hear what you think about this combo. Let me know down below in the comments. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.